Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome to the Insuredbrandlifestyle Lifestyle channel. But today, I'm going to make smoked turkey wings on an offset grill. So first off, I got me 2 packs of turkey wings. I'm about to brine my turkey wings. This is my first time doing it. So this is how I'm going to do it, you know what I'm saying? I got some olive oil, salt, paprika, parsley flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, some oregano, and black pepper. Then I'm gonna put it in this pot, bring it to a boil, let the season boil. Then I'm gonna let it cool off, add my turkey wings in there, and let it sit overnight. Let it brine, sit overnight, and then the next day, I'm gonna put it on the smoker. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna prep my turkey wings and do everything. Cause last time I made turkey wings on the grill, they was good, but they didn't come out like I wanted for the first time smoking them. But this time I'm going through the process of doing brining, and my seasoning is really good. So stay tuned. So I added all my seasons to the water for the brine. Remember, it's not like an accurate amount of seasoning you gotta do. Just season it up. Add the season to it. Cause you want your turkey wings or whatever you meat you brining, your chicken or whatever, you want it to be flavorful. So go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, season it up. Add that season, brine your meat, and then it's gonna come out flavorful after you smoke it, man. So this is what I'm gonna do. So right now, I'm heating it up, bringing it to a boil. After I bring it to the boil, I'm gonna let it cool off. Put it in the refrigerator, let it get cold. Add my turkey wings to it. Put it in a big ass Ziploc bag. And then bam, let it chill. And then make magic. Okay, so I got my brine to a boil. I'm gonna turn it up, take it off the heat. Let it get cold. Throw my turkey wings in that bad boy and let it marinate, brine, whatever you wanna call it. And fire that smoker up. And do my smoke thing. You heard? So next up, right, you gotta make sure you wash your turkey wings off. You wash them off. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Got the Ziploc bag. You got the brine. You gonna pour the brine inside the Ziploc bag. So I pulled it in the bag. See, I got it in the Ziploc bag. You see? I'm gonna let this sit overnight, over like 8 hours, whatever. Let it sit. Let it brine. I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna keep it in this pan. Just, you never know. Just to be safe, I don't want it to leak out. But yeah, that's what we want to do. Next up, we gonna put it in the smoker and get it popping. Matter of fact, I'm gonna prep it before I put it in the smoker. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Okay, so I just brined my turkey wings for 8 hours. I had it brining overnight. So I add some seasoning to it, to my turkey wings. I put some butter on top of them. I got them in the little like 2-inch foil pan. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it in the smoker. I'm gonna cover it first. Then I'm gonna uncover it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how it turned out. Cause you know the last time I made my joint, it was okay. It wasn't great. But I'm gonna try my hand this time around, y'all. Stay tuned. So I'm out here. I already started. I forgot to tell y'all. But I got the offset smoker. Got the charcoal, and I got some wood in there too. Let me show you my turkey wings in here. Just gotta let it smoke some more. That's it. Stay tuned. Finished product. They look good. Here we go. Smoked for like a few hours. Seasoned real good. You know, my first time doing it with the butter. Look real good, y'all. Try it out. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel, man. Smoked turkey wings. Brine, seasoned, and smoked.